Today we're looking at part number 10K SNK. This is your 10K Spindle Nut Kit for the number 99 spindles. So this works on the 9K and 10K axles with the 99 spindles, like the Rockwell American quality axles, Lippert, Cotter axles, Alco. So pretty universal. It comes with the Cotter pin, which is part number 181899. It comes with the Spindle Washer right here, and it comes with the Castle Nut, part number 6-239. Oh, and the Spindle Washer is part number 5-224. So we'll just go through these real quick, and I'll show you the dimensions on them. So starting with the Castle Nut, the dimensions, outer dimension is going to be 2.28 inches, and the inner dimensions will be 1.41, and it is 1.14 inches wide. And then the cotter pin right here is going to be 3.17 inches long. And then the spindle washer, the outer diameter is going to be 2.85, and the inner diameter, that's what really matters, is going to be 1.57. So if you need to replace your castle nut and washers, they got damaged, whatever, you lost them, we got this kit right here. Convenient, easy. It's good to have a spare on you whenever you're traveling. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks for watching.